Hi everyone, that's Dorota International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today we are going to play with some summer design. It is going to be a cute ice cream. Have a preview of it in here. Looking absolutely amazing, and I hope you will really enjoy watching this tutorial. Also, if you're new in here and you didn't see any previous videos, go and check them back, as there is about 500 tutorials on this channel, and I hope you will enjoy them all. But let's start. This is going to be fun to create, and we will use some pink sky color, 238. I thought I will do it in a pink collection, pinks and purples. So 200 Sugar Rush. I think those three colors looks good together. And then 242. We also need the scoop of the white. Oh, that's a brand new one. Woohoo! I'm always removing those lid. Yeah, I do. And then pick up the scoop of the white. It's actually quite warm, and I can see it after the consistency of the product. And then we are gonna need some black. Watercolor brush, because it will speed up your work so much. Really, like, I used to paint everything with the thin brush and it was quite time consuming. So watercolor brush in, and the first thing we are going to paint is some triangle shape. So just like this. You can see it, what I'm doing is I'm creating almost like places which are almost empty, like very shadow and see-through. Okay, do the same. Really fast design, but with lots of detail in it. And then another one. Okay, cook them quickly in. Just a couple seconds, really freeze. And then we are going to clean our brush and then swap into the colors. So clean the brush. And then paint inside. So white and purple. And then start painting the ice cream. Nice and wavy. Nice and wavy. And then do the top. Okay, using only a purple now, we are going to outline it. And because the product is still wet, it kind of creates a nice, almost marble look. And then give it a flash cure. On this one, Sugar Rush. So white. Oh, that's so nice. This is going to be cool ice cream. and then give it a flash cure. I think they are quite quick design for a salon, even if there is quite a lot of detail. Then the pink one. That looks already yummy. And then just outline it somewhere. And cure it. Okay, go back to our first or second ice cream, the one which is cooked. Pick up some black. And now let's start working on the detail. Okay, so a nice sharp line. Then another one. Wavy look. And another sharp line. Do those little squares so it looks like an waffle. And then freeze it. You can see it, I'm not bothered too much how I'm painting those lines as well, like some are more visible, some lines are less visible. Same with the shape, like I'm fixing the shape which we have painted before, because this one seems to be a bit too thin. And then swap to the white. So clean my brush and white. Grab some gems, and then we will add something which will look pretty cool as well. So the gems are going to be stick in with the base gel. And I thought it would be quite nice to do it as maybe a Chanel ice cream. Why not? So we've got this awesome logo. And then with the base gel and some old brush, we are going to secure them in. So let's place one in there. I will do it on one first to see how I like it. Where do you prefer it, cameraman?
On the bottom.
On the bottom?
Yeah.
But it's covering the cone.
But for ice cream, for the ice is too big, I think.
It's okay. I still prefer here. Sorry, I shouldn't be asking you. Of course, I will do whatever I want anyway, yeah? Okay, let's do one channel. Channel. Yeah, subscribe to this channel, guys. And then go for some... maybe a pearls as well. I've got some pearls. Like a wee tiny ones. Stop it there and there and there and everywhere. Oh, I like it a lot. And then some caviar beads. Obviously, caviar beads always goes good with the ice creams. Then here I'm just going to go for a wee caviar beads, but in gold, since we use the gold logo. And then the pearls on this one I quite like. I actually quite like this one, the texture of it. I think it looks super cool. So we're doing like very posh ice creams. As you can see it, I'm really placing the caviar beads very random. Whatever they stick. Okay, we need to add the final detail, but before we do that, we need to top coat this design. Actually, didn't use even the pink gems. So top coat our designs. Could see one caviar bead didn't stick in, but I wouldn't worry too much. Even on the client, the top coat would still take it pretty well. And the crystals application with the base gel lasts ages, like really ages. Now, when I'm using pearls, I'm always top coating them because they are kind of like a wee chrome. It's like a wee chrome over them, so that prevents the color coming off. And same on the gold beads. Caviar beads, I like to top coat them too, and I like to top coat the logo, the metal studs as well. Okay, that's me happy, so let's cook them. Okay, gel liner brush, and then let's finish the detail. I actually got still plenty here, so we want to add some, almost like a cream on top of the ice cream, like really nice and thin. And because it doesn't have the top coat, it will look almost like a 3D, which I even like it much better. There we are, just here and there. Same with the cone, just go and create those dimensions. I have almost cleaned off entire product from my brush. And you can see it, I can still paint it, but very light lines. Again, I don't want them everywhere, just here and there, that's enough. I think that looks pretty cool and it's fun to do it. You cannot go wrong with those ice creams. Very fun. And not everywhere. Nice and decent amount of the cream on this one. And cook it. Okay, just the last one. This lines exchange like everything, the entire look of it. And just a little bit of cream on this one. Cook it. And then let's see all of them as the final results. So we've got some purple one. We've got the designer one. It's going to land in the middle. Right in the middle. Gosh, excuse my hands, guys. Like, they have been really working, hard working hands. I actually like them. Like, they're fun to create. And I hope, guys, you have, look at this logo. I hope you, they really have those dimensions into them. I hope you have, guys, really enjoyed this short video. I'm sending you huge glittery hugs and bye for now.